Since past 6 months, we have been traveling across the various parts of Gujarat to understand local life and explore untouched beauty. In winter, we decided to step out of Gujarat and explore how beautiful our country is. In the peak time of winter, the first place came in our mind was Manali. Manali is famous for its snow-clad mountain peaks and adventure activities. People often go there to enjoy snow and natural beauty. But I feel that the ultimate beauty that makes Manali even beautiful is the culture and people who live in that valley. I have been visiting Manali since past 4 years, but I never got chance to observe this aspect so closely. This winter, I decided to go and spend more time in Manali to understand its culture and local life deeply. Meet Sonu Kaushal. He is localite here. He lives in a tiny village of Manali with his family. He is also a passionate photographer and clicks amazing landscapes of hill. He loves animals and he is fond of playing with his dog Cooper and mountain goat Neela almost all the time. He is familiar with the culture and hidden beauty of Manali. That's why he is the best person to have in our team for this exploration journey. The people of Manali are very hardworking. They grow best quality of apple in the world. In winter season, they take care of plants, so in autumn, fruits enriches the tree. Manali is famous for its mighty mountains shining with the snow, musical and gushing stream with the fresh water, and majestic waterfalls. In colder days, all these places get hidden into the fresh snow. Though reaching there is very risky, we took initiative to visit famous jogging waterfall. In summer, these falls are visited by plenty of tourists, but in frozen winter days, no one explores due to risky trekking in snow. That was the best chance for us to experience the real beauty of frozen Manali. The route was very difficult, but the views we captured were amazing. That mist coming out of roaring waterfall and penetrating sun rays creates a beautiful rainbow, and that was the charm. Many people in Manali region believe in Buddhist religion. You can find holy flags fluttering high on the hilltops. They believe that the wind reads the mantras and spread positive vibes all over the globe, wherever it travels. Literally, I feel that. The same positivity you will feel at every place in Manali. But the only thing is you need to immerse yourself into it. I was lucky enough to get chance to visit monastery during prayer time. Prayer feeds soul. It helps to focus and concentrate. It connects our soul to the superior of the world. The aura and positivity I felt was of an ultimate level. I have never experienced such positivity till now. They lit up thousands of lamps to awaken the consciousness within. The people of Manali are very kind and humble. They live simply with no expectations. They influenced on my ideas of living simply and respecting everything. As a person, it is important to respect nature as well as each other. They celebrate a festival to kill demons within and spread positivity. The festival has its unique aura, where all people gather and fight against negativity. Exactly, we celebrate the Dashera.
Oh, tarak again. Oh,
Yeah. चलो मेरे साथ हाई फाई
Hi, bye.
yeah.
Mountains are like children. They are energetic and notorious. But yeah, that's the purest form of nature that human being can explore and understand. Our engagement with the local children and pets would never go up from our mind. The godly part of our journey was to play with our junior friends. Sharif, the biggest Notangi. Popo, our cycling hero. Neela, the calm soul. Cooper, the rowdy hero. Paplu, the angry cop. Sonakshi, the cutie pie. Our tour to Manali was full of unexpected adventure and mind-blowing exploration. We met overwhelming humans and lived like a nomad. Every moment on mountain, we literally felt connected with our inner selves. Many times people ask me, why do I climb? I really don't know how to explain, but I climb because I feel like climbing. That's the aura of Himalayas. Passing through the bushes, crossing the dancing streams were like daily routine. It is said that it's good to be lost in right direction, and I know North is the best one. For a moment, we used to forget our existence and identity and dissolve like an earthen element, happily.